Hi guys, it's Vanessa from To The Brim, and tonight I made a video for you showing you how to attach a handle to a mug. Sometimes when you start pottery, you're excited to make something, you finally figure out how to make a mug, and then you're like, oh my god, I have to put a handle on this thing. What do I do? I did not show you how to make a handle in this video because handles can be made in multiple different ways. You can roll one out, you can pull a handle, and you can extrude a handle. I will use different videos to show you how to do those skills. But if you've made a handle and you have a mug and you're wondering what the heck do I do to make this thing look good and to stay on there, keep watching. If you like this video, give me a like, and if you're interested in more content like this, think about subscribing and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm sorry for the angle. You can see what you need to see, but I will try harder to give you a better angle in the future. Right here I'm taking a handle that I pulled and have let set, and I'm just trimming the excess off. You can do this by putting the mug that you're going to use for that handle over it so that you can see where it's going to attach to your mug. And this way you can get the angles correct where the handle is going to come to your mug. It's going to be at the correct angle for that specific mug. Every mug is different, so you can't really just make a ton of handles that are all exactly the same and expect that they're going to fit the same if you're making different forms. I'm putting slip on both ends of the handle here, and then I'm going to put it where I want it on the mug so that the slip leaves a mark. Then I will know where to score with my scoring tool. Just making sure that bottom part has a little slip on it. Now I'm just going to score that area. This is important because it helps the clay join. If you don't do this, sometimes you luck out and the handle doesn't fall off, but it's best if you use the slip and you score both surfaces and you kind of try to work them together. You can feel it get more and more snug the more that you work it back and forth. Here I'm going to line up the bottom of the handle, just the way that I want it. And every mug is different, so you just kind of have to look and make sure you like the shape. Sometimes you'll have to trim a little bit of the handle off, but here I'm just slipping and scoring where the handle is going to go. And then I'm going to score the other end of that handle and do the same thing that I did to the top. I'm going to get it situated, lined up properly, and kind of wiggle it back and forth so that those scored edges kind of meld together. And once I have it on straight, now see, before you use your brush to take away any of the extra slip, you can look at it head on and see if you need to wiggle the handle around at all before you kind of make it permanent by using the brush here to smooth away any edges. And I'm just using slip here and a brush to do that. Some people don't blend the handle in. I like to make it look like it's all one piece. I feel like it looks more professional and clean, but there are people that like a more rustic look, and there's nothing wrong with that either, in which case you don't have to do this part right here. Just checking to make sure that I like it. Again, sorry for the camera angle, there we go.